Hello friends! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of repairing and upgrading the YAXUN 1502DD 15V2A adjustable DC power supply, which is widely used for mobile phone repairs. The issue with this unit is that none of the potentiometers are functioning, and it's only providing a maximum output of 2 amps. So, today, we'll fix all of these issues and also give the power supply a fresh new look by cleaning it up, replacing components, and making some key upgrades. We'll thoroughly clean the power supply, open up every circuit, and wash it with petrol or thinner, if you prefer. After that, we'll go over the circuits, replace faulty parts, and make sure everything is working as good as new. Right now, this unit only has one C5200 transistor, installed with no heatsink. We're definitely going to change that. So, let's get started. Disassembling the unit. Now, I've opened up the entire power supply, and here are all the internal components. As you can see, I've removed the transformer as well. This is the main control board, which controls the voltage and current output. The issue here is that all the potentiometers are faulty, and the circuit is extremely dirty. Here is the display board, which shows us the output voltage and current. Below it is the power button, and here are the red and black terminal connections for positive and negative output. The body frame is also quite dirty, and we'll clean everything thoroughly before moving forward. Cleaning the components. Now that we've cleaned everything, let's take a look at the results. The main control board has been cleaned with petrol, but you can use thinner if that's more convenient. The transformer is clean now, and so is the display board. The front body panel has also been cleaned and now looks so much better, along with the other parts. It's important to ensure that every component is properly cleaned before we start any repairs or replacements. Replacing potentiometers and transistors. Next, we're going to replace all of the potentiometers. Be sure to handle them carefully. I've set my soldering iron to 300 degrees to make sure we don't damage anything, and the components will come off smoothly at this temperature. I've also cleaned up the entire circuit and removed any unnecessary wires. Now, I've got a few C5200 transistors here, and it's time to test them before installation. To test a transistor, set your multimeter to diode mode. Place the red probe on pin 1 of the transistor and the black probe on pins 2 and 3. If the reading is between 0.400 and 0.599, the transistor is good. If the reading is lower, it's faulty. I've already removed the faulty one, and now I'll install 3 new transistors and mount them onto a heatsink to ensure better cooling and performance. Reassembling the power supply. Once all the components are tested and installed, I'll replace the potentiometers on the main board. There was also a missing PF104 component that had broken, so I've replaced that as well. After soldering everything back in place, I'll clean the board again with a brush to remove any debris. Now, I'll attach the C5200 transistors to the main board, making sure to carefully connect the base, collector, and emitter. Next, I'll install the display panel onto the front body. Making sure everything fits perfectly. Once that's done, we'll connect the main board to the display with wires, attach the knobs to the potentiometers, and reassemble everything.
the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Final test. We've now placed the transformer back into the frame along with the bridge diodes, and we've made all the necessary connections. The main power switch is connected, and everything is reassembled securely. Now it's time for the final test. We'll check if the power supply is working perfectly, and I'm confident it will. That's it. For today, we've successfully repaired and upgraded the YAXUN 1502DD power supply. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome electronics projects.